If you feel like you are getting old and tired, this can help you rejuvenate quickly. Place a few pieces of apple in a pot, add lime, chamomile, and a cinnamon stick. Let it boil for 7 minutes, then turn off the heat, add the hibiscus flower, and let it steep for 5 minutes. This preparation is a drink that is highly sought after for diabetes, poor circulation, and cholesterol. It helps regulate high blood pressure and treat stomach problems naturally. Did you know that to end weakness, dizziness, and fatigue, you don't need to use expensive medicines or imported vitamins? There is a very powerful natural food that was already used by our grandmothers when someone appeared weak and pale. More recent research shows that it really delivers results, being considered one of the most complete foods in the world because of its high nutritional value.